Weed whackers, string trimmers, call them what you like, but line trimmers are the unsung heroes of outdoor power equipment. Designed for preparing your lawn for mowing, cleaning up edges, or getting into places your mower just can't reach. But which one is right for you? Let's trim the choices down. There are curved shaft and straight shaft line trimmers. Curved shafts can be a bit more comfortable because they're lighter, and straight shaft can give you a bit more power. Otherwise, the differences between them are minimal. A thinner line is perfect for trimming back couch grass, but a trimmer with thicker line is better suited for tough weeds and buffalo runners. It's not as simple as swapping line to suit your grass. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations here. Line thickness can severely affect the performance of your line trimmer, and the wrong size line can damage your machine. So pick the line trimmer that best suits your grass. If you have a smaller yard with some paths and maybe a driveway, the 18-volt 1 Plus range will let you take care of some light to medium cutting back and give you that manicured look along the edges. With 36-volt models, there's no need to compromise on power. With heavy-duty 5-amp batteries, you can get up to an hour no-load running time. And they offer the best of both worlds, quiet operation with cordless portability. And if an hour isn't long enough, just change it out for a fresh one. For a job this size, and if it needs going over on a regular basis, you might want to consider a Petrol line trimmer. These guys can tackle tough weeds and shrubs. But it's clear that this area needs a brush cutter. Brush cutters are designed for thicker shrub and heavy material, so something like this fixed blade 52cc model will take on any job. If runtime's important, an AC powered line trimmer will run all day with similar power to a petrol model, but without the maintenance or fumes. The main limitation with AC power models is that you need to be within 25 metres of your power supply, but if you've got a small yard, that won't be a problem for you. And the big advantage with battery or AC powered line trimmers is that the quiet operation keeps the neighbours happy. With improvements in performance and technology, cordless line trimmers are rapidly growing in popularity. For more information on line trimmers or any other RYOBI products, head to our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.